Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this helpful. OpenTable, your gateway to seamless dining experiences. Finding the perfect restaurant can be a real challenge. Juggling preferences, checking availability, and making reservations can quickly turn a fun night out into a logistical nightmare. That's where OpenTable steps in, transforming the dining experience from stressful to seamless. OpenTable is a leading online restaurant reservation service company that connects diners with restaurants across the globe. With its comprehensive platform, OpenTable empowers you to easily discover new culinary hotspots, browse menus, read reviews, and secure that coveted reservation, all in one place. Imagine this: you're craving Italian. Using OpenTable's website or convenient mobile app, you can quickly filter your search by cuisine, location, price range, and even desired ambience. Read through reviews from fellow diners, compare ratings, and peruse mouth-watering menus before making your choice. Once you've found the perfect spot, securing a table is just a few taps away. OpenTable's real-time availability updates ensure you see accurate seating options, eliminating the frustration of calling around only to find everything booked. But OpenTable offers more than just reservations. It also provides valuable insights into the dining scene, including curated lists, special offers, and personalized recommendations tailored to your tastes. Whether you're a local searching for a hidden gem or a traveler exploring a new city, OpenTable can guide you to unforgettable culinary adventures. Beyond simplifying the reservation process, OpenTable fosters a vibrant community of food enthusiasts, offering a platform for sharing experiences and discovering new favorites. Furthermore, OpenTable benefits restaurants by streamlining their operations and maximizing their seating capacity. By providing a centralized reservation system, OpenTable helps restaurants manage bookings efficiently, reduce no-shows, and ultimately, enhance their overall guest experience. This symbiotic relationship between diners and restaurants is what makes OpenTable a cornerstone of the modern dining landscape. So, the next time you're planning a meal out, ditch the hassle and embrace the convenience of OpenTable. Discover, book, and enjoy, all with a few simple clicks.